Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set up VPN on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install any VPN which you like. For example, I will install this VPN. Then tap on open. Now just give this app this permission. Then tap on continue. From here, select allow. Then tap on connect. Now just select allow, and as you can see we have successfully connected VPN to our smartphone. And if we go to the home screen and open the settings app, then tap on connection and sharing. From here just tap on VPN, and as you can see we are successfully connected to the VPN which we have downloaded. And this is how you can set up VPN on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.